Hi and welcome back to another cooking video. Today I will show you how to make a chicken dinner in the Crockpot. To make this recipe, you will need a slow cooker Crockpot. You will need chicken legs or any kind of chicken of your choice. You will need 3 potatoes, 1 bag of carrots diced, 1 whole onion diced, half a cup of water, rosemary or any seasoning to add to your chicken, and you will also need 3 leaves of cactus diced, and you are going to cook it on high for 4 to 5 hours. The first thing that I am going to do is I am going to put my chicken legs into the Crockpot. My next ingredient is going to be the 3 whole potatoes. Then I'm adding the diced onion and also the carrots that I diced as well. The next ingredient is my cactus leaves, which I used 3 leaves. And I just put them into the Crockpot all mixed in. Then I am going to add a half cup of water into the Crockpot. And my last ingredient is going to be my seasoning, which I am going to put some rosemary into the Crockpot. Once you have all your ingredients mixed into your Crockpot, you're just going to put the lid on there and you're going to cook it on high for 4 to 5 hours, and then I will be back when it's done and I will show you how my chicken dinner turned out. It's been 4 to 5 hours and the chicken dinner is ready to be served. And thanks for joining me today. I will leave the recipe instructions down below and also the link on how to clean the cactus and how to cook it. And I will see you next time. Enjoy your meal.